Okay, I'm finally doing it. I did a repair on my cams and replaced the seals, and temporarily I just put this plug on and put some sealant on it to cover the hole I made to get it out, and it's kind of been leaking, so I finally went ahead and bought another plug. I don't know why I waited so long, but I thought it really wasn't leaking, but it is. So went ahead and bought one, and I'm going to take that out and put this in. And so if I remember right, I just poked a hole in it. The hole might still be in there. Yeah. Yeah, the hole is still in here. So maybe I can get it out. So it came out pretty simple. As you can see, I put a pretty big hole in it originally, but I didn't know what I was doing, and I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm going to clean up some of this that just spilled. To knock it back in, I was trying to find something that I could hit and not actually hit that. I guess I could have just used the back of the old one and knocked on that. That might work, and maybe that's what I'll do. I don't know, but it's not clean here, so it wouldn't be flat. But if I measure this, it's about 2 3/8 inches, whatever, and it's about about 6 centimeters. So if you wanted to try to find something that you could tap up against it, I happen to have had a piece of PVC, and I cut a piece off, and I'm going to try to use that, and as I'm hitting it back in, so we'll see how that works. Okay, going in. We're going to get a smaller hammer. Okay, I got a smaller hammer. Okay, that looks fairly even all the way around. Hope so, but I don't know if it would have been better to put a little coating of oil around it. I don't know, but that's what I did. And it seemed to go in fairly warm, seemed to go in fairly easily. So I hope that doesn't leak anymore. I'm going to keep cleaning this up, and I'm going to turn the video off so you don't have to watch me do that. The reason I'm making this video is because I looked on YouTube for how to replace the plug, and I just couldn't find anything. Maybe it's so obvious and simple that people wouldn't want to waste the time to make a video, but I would have appreciated anything. So I thought, okay, I'll do it, I'll try it, and someone like me who doesn't know what they're doing can watch and maybe learn something. Okay. Hope that helps.